Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to transfer Vodacom data to another Vodacom number. Whether it's for your kids, your mom, or a friend who just ran out, it only takes a few minutes. First, if you're on prepaid, you're good to go. Data transfer is already active on your account. But if you're on contract or top up, you'll need to call Vodacom customer care at 082-135 to activate the service before you can transfer bundles. The easiest way is through the Voda Pay app. Open the app, tap on Buy Bundles, then type in the Vodacom number you want to buy a bundle for. After that, click Proceed, choose the data amount, and confirm. The cost is either billed to your account or deducted from your airtime if you're prepaid. Another way is through a USSD code, which works on any phone. Just dial *135#. From the menu, select Data, then choose for another number. Enter the recipient's Vodacom number, pick the bundle you want to transfer, and confirm. Here's something important. If you're prepaid or on top up, you can only transfer up to 80% of your airtime balance. So for example, if you have 100 Rand airtime, you can transfer bundles worth up to 80 Rand. And that's all it takes to send Vodacom data to another number. Use VodaPay for the quickest way, or USSD if you don't have the app handy. It's free to use, simple, and really helpful when someone runs out of data. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick how-tos.